SimWriter 5.0 contains several new and exciting enhancements: the ability to publish for iOS devices, iPhone and iPad, the new plugin architecture, the ability to copy templates, and improved stage transitions. Now I'm going to take a few minutes and show you around some of these new features. Let's start with publishing for iOS mobile devices. Simulations intended for mobile publishing should be developed in ActionScript 3 using AS3 published media. And there are several steps to this process, some of which happen outside of the SimWriter tool. So when developing an application for the iOS, you'll need to first install iTunes. You'll need to purchase an Apple iOS developer license, and you'll need to download developer files, including the developer certificate and provisioning profiles from Apple. All of these steps in detail, the locations where you can find the files, and information are located in SimWriter's user manual and help section. Anyway, after you have the developer license and certificates in place, you can complete the build process in SimWriter. In SimWriter, you'll need to go to Build, then Build Settings. At the Target drop-down list, select iPhone iPad Application. A dialog box with 3 tabs will appear. In the General tab, you will then enter the file name. Choose the app type. Enter the app name. Enter the app version. Input the app properties, including what device you're publishing for, the rendering, resolution, and aspect ratio. Note that the movie frame rate appears at the bottom. Use this box to enter the frame rate for rendering. As a best practice, make sure this frame rate matches the frame rate used when capturing any video included in your application. In the Icon tab, you will choose an app icon from the pre-populated list of sizes and devices. If you want to clear the icon associated with that size and device, click the app icon name, then select the Clear button next to the file link. You can also associate a new icon or change icons by selecting the large gray Browse box and directing SimWriter to a new graphic. In the Packaging tab, you will complete the digital signature by using the Browse button to locate your .p12 developer certificate and then entering the password. Below that, select the provisioning profile assigned to the application and enter the app ID. Next, locate the iOS packager, adt.bat, provided by the Adobe Flex SDKs. Complete the process by selecting Build at the top of the dialog box. Now please note that if you want to distribute your application on an ad hoc basis, you can repeat the packaging process with a test provisioning profile rather than a development provisioning profile. When you are ready for a final distribution of the application, you can then repeat the packaging process using the distribution provisioning profile. After you've built a distribution version of your application, you'll need to follow Adobe's instructions for submitting your iPhone application to the App Store. You can find the link for the instructions in the video description below.